Hello! Within this short video, I'm going to explain our remote installation process so you know what to expect and to also detail what information we need from you. Once your order has been placed and processed, our delivery team will install the device on site, then connect your device to the network. They will test the functionality and ensure everything is working as expected. Alongside this, they will give you some basic training. Behind the scenes, our remote team will be monitoring the progress of your installation, and once it is connected to the network, they will be notified. Once connected, they will be able to upload any settings that have been backed up from your previous device, or if you have any bespoke settings that you require, they will be able to assist you. To ensure this runs smoothly, there are a few things we require from you before your device is delivered. We need all of the network settings for your devices, IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and domain naming services. Without this information, we cannot successfully install your device. Therefore, it's really important that these are provided to us. Alongside this video, you will have received a form called the Network Information Form. If your IT or technical team require assistance relating to the network information, our support contact details can be found within this form. To ensure we are able to assist you remotely throughout your partnership with Konica Minolta, we need to connect your devices to two of our cloud-based systems. These platforms are called Customer Satisfaction Remote Care, known as CSRC, and Remote Service Platform, known as RSP. By connecting to our CSRC platform, we can be provided with accurate meter readings and carry out your automatic toner ordering. It also provides us with technical data from your device, which will assist us should you ever need to contact our support team. Overall, this platform helps reduce your downtime and keeps your devices up to date. The Remote Service Platform enables us to help you remotely with a number of technical problems. Rather than a technician attending your premises, we can quickly help you remotely, for example, with many setting changes or firmware updates. Our aim is to ensure your downtime is minimal, and this platform helps us to do this. So that both of these platforms can function correctly, we need some settings entered into your firewall. This is to ensure we have permission to gain remote access. As mentioned, you will have received a network information form. Please ensure this form is passed on to your IT department for them to complete and return to us as soon as possible. Failure to do so will delay your order. Everything we require from you has been detailed in the same email you accessed this video from. The relevant forms to complete will be attached. We are here to help make this process as smooth as possible for you. If you have any questions relating to this order, please speak to your account manager. We look forward to working with you.